like some superhero theme music right here.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. That's good stuff. I'm your boy Jay Smooth, and today we're gonna be changing the oil on my Lexus LS400. I know. No VIP tables, no cool stuff. Working on just regular old changing the oil. But anyways, this is something that you should know. A lot of people own cars, and if you want to man up, you gotta be able to change your own oil. Alright, we got over 270,000 miles on this Lexus LS400 that I bought last year. Had it a year and I have not changed the oil, and this is something that I should have definitely done when I first bought it. You know, anyways, back a couple of episodes ago, I was doing the thermostat, if you guys remember, and I noticed that I had a small oil leak. It looks like where my oil filter, it might be leaking. So, yeah. I'm up early this morning because I live in Vegas and I'm trying to avoid the heat. It gets up to be 100. So the earlier I get started, the better. It's about 80 degrees right now. And if you guys already been watching, if I don't get started on work early, the monster comes and then she's going to want to play Hot Wheels or something. Normally, you know, doing your own oil change costs about 40 bucks. And I know you guys seen some deals like at Jiffy Lube with a coupon. It's 25, 30 bucks. But you know what? I don't trust them motherfuckers. Seriously. I've heard stories of people going to get their oil changed at Jiffy Lube and they start driving down the street after they get their oil changed and they're leaking oil all the way from the Jiffy Lube to the street because the idiot at Jiffy Lube didn't put the damn oil plug back in. Seriously, don't worry. I got you back. I'm going to show you how to change this oil. And yeah, let's get to it. All right? Just gotta make sure I put a jack stand just in case. Gotta be safe. Alright, so this is where I found a mounting point to jack up the car. Right there. And see over there is where I got the jack stand put up. You could also put the jack where I put the jack stand and lift it up, but I did it this way. Now, there's the oil filter. See what it looks like? Not good. All right, now, here is the drain plug. Now, that's usually where it's located. Some cars are different, but you know, that's also a reason why I jacked it up from the driver's side, because the drain plug is on the passenger side and I want the oil to run this way and into the container. I'm gonna put it down right now. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here to catch oil right there. And you see it's a little low on oil, which is part of the reason why I'm changing oil. All right, so let me put that right there. And yeah, let's go get some tools to get this started. All right, so in order to remove the drain plug, I'm gonna be using this 17 millimeter. Put my socket here, and let's see. That is the drain plug right there. So, all right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Tighten it right there. There we go. Lefty loosey. Let's go. we go. Yep, that oil's pretty black.
Garage door.
Good morning. Oh. Wow. Good morning. Yep. This just happened. I guess I didn't wake up early enough. Hey, good morning. Alright, baby, get up. I'm changing the oil. Alright, so, yeah, this is the part that takes a while. You know, you gotta wait like a few minutes for it to completely drain out, or most of it to get drained out. And there's still gonna be oil in there, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and loosely put the plug back in on this side, and then we're gonna move this oil catcher right here over to the other side and attempt to remove the oil filter. Well, yeah, that's pretty much why this thing was leaking oil, I guess, because it is barely on there. It's loose as hell. I didn't even have to use a tool to remove it, really. Come on. Shoot. Alright. Let's keep removing it. There we go. Just go ahead and dump this there. Alright, so this has been dripping out for about 10 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the drain plug back in and put the new oil filter on, and then start pouring the oil. Alright. That's back on. Alright, I got the new oil filter right here, and my pops taught me to do this every time before you put the oil filter. Is take a little bit of the new oil and just rub it right here through the threads, just a little bit. I honestly do not know the actual purpose of this, but hey, my dad told me to do it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Alright, let's just back up here so I don't accidentally spill it. Let's get this on. Now, let's not make the mistake that the last person that changed the oil did and leave this loose. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Alright, so I just bought this right here for it. It was $5. This bolts right up to your socket there. Too long. That should do it. All right. All right. That's good. Nice and tight. You know. Now that that's done, let me go ahead and start pulling it up. All right. So I'm gonna jack this up a little bit just to remove the jack stand. Alright, jack stand's removed. Put it back over here. Alright, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and drop the car before I put the oil in. Now, what you wanna do is, while you pour oil in, you wanna go look under the car, make sure nothing's dripping. Alright. Oil cap back on. Alright, oil cap is on. Go ahead and put the dipstick in here. Let's see where we're at on the oil level. Alright. We're about halfway up, which means we're still kind of low. Might have to add a quart or two. But that's good. Now, we gotta check under the car, make sure there's no leaks. Alright. Now, it's a little tighter in here because I dropped the car already. So the first spot that you want to check is the drain plug. Make sure that the drain plug is not leaking. So, as you can see, it's not leaking. The second spot you want to look for is where you put the oil filter. And it doesn't appear to be leaking. Good job, Drake. Alright. So now that that's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on and run it for a little bit and see if there's any other leaks. Alright, so turn the car around and I ran it for about 10 minutes just to get the oil running through the engine. I'm gonna check where the oil level's at right now. Good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add one more quart because this car takes about 6 quarts. Alright, now I want to check if there's any leaks now that it ran. I don't see any. Alright, looks good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the car a little bit more and use that gunk to get it all cleaned up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this stuff down where the oil was spilling. Alright y'all, well there you have it. That is how you change the oil on a Lexus LS400. And this method could pretty much be applied to any other car, you know, unless it's a BMW. Those motherfuckers are weird as fuck. But anyways, yeah, yeah, not bad. All in all, this cost me about 60 bucks, you know, including the degreaser or whatever. So it's not bad, especially since I used name brand synthetic oil. So that's good. No leaks, apparently. Hopefully, everything looks good now that I cleaned it all up. But anyways, there you go. We're up to almost 1,800 subscribers, which is great. I got a message from YouTube. They're gonna be sending me a check soon. It's not gonna be much, but yeah, basically, you know, they told me that it's on me to put more content out either weekly or daily, which I haven't been, unfortunately, and I'm sorry for you guys that have been hanging in there with me for this past year that this project started. But yeah, I mean, what else can I say? Things are good. I'm still in this house, haven't been able to sell it, had some offers, things fell through. So hopefully once I move and I get set up in the new garage, then I'll be able to do what I was promising you guys for the whole year, to do the air ride. I'm not lying to you, it's sitting right here, all the air ride components. This shit's probably gonna take me like 2 days to do by myself unless I can find some help. But anyways, yeah, so this video is getting uploaded soon. What else? Oh, working on some VIP tables for a 2018 Hyundai Genesis. Those are almost done. That video will be up soon as well. But yeah, so far so good. I really like this car. People always ask me, do I like it better than the GS? And I think I'm gonna say yes. I mean, I miss my GS, but I do like the LS better. The differences, obviously the GS was a 6 and this one is an 8. So obviously it's wasting a little bit more gas, but you know, I do like the fact that it's a little bit bigger car. You know, I would love to still have both. Unfortunately, I had to sell the GS to buy the wife her SUV, which I want to be working on this soon. Yeah, you know, I think the wife's car, we've had it for a little bit over a year. I bought the wife's car after I bought the LS. That's right, I bought the wife's car. So I'm gonna be putting in a 10-inch Android radio into the wife's car, and I'm gonna be adding a 360 panoramic view or aerial view, whatever you call that, camera system. It's 4 cameras, and it has a display, and it's really cool. I found it on eBay, and it's like about $100, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that for safety purposes, you know, because you don't want women driving. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all the support. Please comment, like, subscribe, share the video, turn on the notifications, and like I always say, I promise to upload more videos and more frequently. I guess I have to, because if not, YouTube's not gonna cut that check, and once they start cutting the check, we definitely gonna get the project started. All right, take care, y'all. Peace.
The beat, click, clack, man, yeah, you ain't know nothing. Hit this bitches from the back, nigga, no Ryan. A whole gang of drink, a whole gang of bottles, whole gang of bitches, whole gang of models. They turning up, throwing up, don't give a fuck, and take them back to the crib and make them give a fuck.